Hindi naman.
Hi guys, so naglalakad-lakad lang kami ngayon. Oo nga, ba't walang babaeng lumalabas? Puro lalaki.
Saan tayo dumadaan? Parang nakakatakot yung daan. Alay.
Ha?
Saan yung labas natin yun?
Ako alam. Ito yung back wall. Bilihan lang nila, parang store. Sari-sari store. Stasyo. Ayan o, may honor. So, tignan.
Hindi. Yung mga lalaki.
May karak. Ito kaya.
Ano na meron dito?
Ayun. Ito na yung fat free. Ayun, tingnan natin yung tech. Tapos balik na tayo dun sa kabila.
Okay. Nagamit yung sandals na black. Sumarurong yung paa.
Bakit?
Gusto ko ganito laging nakamedyo. Hindi ko ginamit ngayon.
Dinala mo pa.
Oo nga. Sana pala hindi ko na dinala. Nakadagdag pa sa bagahe.
Pa-change lang kami ng tempered. Pasok tayo.
50%.
Bawal. So, wala kami nakita. Fake. Pero mag-alam muna kami ngayon. Baskin. Pero sarado ata. Ay, hindi. Sa Baskin Robbins muna kami. Tapos upo dito. Tingnan nyo. Pastel de nata.
Ito guys, ako.
Uy, yung bango. Bango.
Try mo.
Bango, bango. What flavor? We're choosing what flavor.
Yung favorite mo. Pero iba naman, no? Ibang flavor.
What's this?
Which one? Maui brown madness. It has nuts. It's okay with you?
Maui brown.
You okay with nuts? No. You like fruity? You like fruity?
Fruity.
You okay with fruity?
Chocolate. Ano ba?
Yun, try mo nga yun.
It's nice. Sounds like watermelon.
Flavor of the month.
And it's pretty nice.
Blackberry caramel. This one, blackberry.
Yeah, blackberry. And this
Mm.
one is the one blueberry.
Anong gusto natin? Try mo to
It's
isa.
the flavor is good.
Ano to? What's this?
That's blueberry crumble.
Blueberry crumble.
Yeah, this one is not flavor of wait, 2 months ago. Yeah, 2 months ago.
Tapos yung blueberry. Or
Sarap
more
din
on
to.
chocolate. Masarap din yan.
The blackberry is good.
Yes.
Anong ano natin? Yung isa?
Can I try this? Try natin. Thank you. Cotton candy. Try natin. Mm.
Yeah. Ako? Parang masarap din kaya yung summer season.
Ano meron?
Combination. Ano? Caramel purple chocolate. Two scoop.
Thank you. Summer sea salt.
Ano masarap yun? Summer season.
Ano ba yung pwede?
Can we combine two flavor or one flavor?
Oh, you can do two red ones and I'm going out. I'm sorry. Yeah. You can do this one.
Sunday?
Guacamole with 2 scoops. Yeah, it's nice. It's actually cheaper. But it comes with already. It also comes with cake. If you like the cake.
Oh,
That's
we
it.
just
You don't like
want
it?
the scoop. Yes. No.
What about the corn?
How about this one?
That one is take home.
Take home?
Yeah, but a scoop you can do this still. If you want just 1 scoop, it's okay. But
Without cake?
yeah, without cake. You don't like cake? No. Then it's fine.
Ano na
2
yun?
scoops without cake?
Yeah, you can get it 28 or 30.
How about the 22 one? 22?
22, that very small.
Small
Ah,
without?
Yeah, very small.
32. Ano ba yun? May cake siya ba? Try. Waffle bowl. Brownie waffle bowl.
It's a waffle.
Try natin.
Waffle 2 scoops in. Though you say you don't want cake. That's the problem.
Ice cream na lang.
Sobra na.
Oh, sige.
Or you can do that. But
How about 2 scoops of ice cream without anything?
it's okay. Separately or in 1 cup?
In 1 cup.
In 1 cup.
Ano na?
We'll get the blackberry caramel and sea salt.
Yun, sarap yun. Kasha
Sarap.
na.
So yeah. Guys, guys, nandito na kami sa park.
Churong.
Basket.
Hap.
Hi guys, so andito ulit kami sa fat-free chicken. Ang in-order naman namin ngayon, 2 shawarma na lang, tapos isang biryani na may 4 types of kebab. So yeah, ito na yung shawarma.
Karak.
Karak.
Sarap ang karak. Sarap ang karak. And shawarma. Sarap shawarma nila.
So ganito siya gawin guys. Alisin mo na, tapos na mo charge. Mabasag na tuloy.
Sarap. Sarap ang shawarma. Balot nila ang ganda. Mabusog niya mamaya ulit. Time ko yun. Fat-free chicken. Mamaya yung pag-rice.
You want 2 plates, ma'am?
Yes, yeah.
1 plate.
Thank you.
Hindi ako nagsabi. Hindi ako nagsabi.
Wow.
Green salad.
Wow.
Hindi na mayroon. Hindi na mayroon. Ilagay mo ka sa bahay.
Ito, beef.
Beef. Kahit puro ulam ka dyan, ang dami.
Wow.
Ilagay mo na nga lang po dyan.
So,
Ito yun eh.
Ha? Ayaw man. Napapala ko.
Tapos ito,
Mamaya. Ay, lahat na.
lahat na.
Ay, ganun. Wala siya steak.
Ay, walang stick, inalis na.
Galing. Mabubusog na. May rice na.
Ayoko pa sa TV.
Okay. Then,
Case.
ano to?
Mga sauce.
Try.
Kasi actually parang kasi
That's the burger.
tatawagan niya kay James.
Ah, ito yung chicken. Mm. Up.
Tikman na natin.
So, sisip natin. May lemon. Ang ilaw na ano to?
Lime.
Ilaw. Masaw-saw mo siya doon sa ano.
Kasi hindi ko nagpahal.
Beef. Sarap tong beef.
Beef. Kapat din ah.
Mm.
Hindi ko maputol. Ras asa.
Kagatin mo na malambot.
Ayoko. Ano yung ipin ko?
Sobrang lambot, guys.
Kasi lasa.
Ang sarap.
Ito naman, try.
Ooh.
Chicken na, may buto-buto to.
May buto. Chicken wings. So, yeah.